Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on creating a hard surface looking character. My name is Fazin. I'm an experienced character artist with over 8 years of experience, and I've worked on multiple AAA titles such as F123 and WRC23 and Batman Gotham Knight. In this series, we'll break down the entire process step by step. We'll start with the blockout phase, where we'll dive into anatomy fundamentals and the core principle of hard surface sculpting. Next, we'll be having a look at redesigning some of the armor plates on different parts of the character. We also utilize all the available tools inside Zbrush to achieve the desirable result that we want. Then we create a cutout in our Dynamesh and start using ZModeler to create a retopology. And after that, we'll achieve a clean looking hard surface, which is ready for detailing. Lastly, we are going to detail our character, creating all of those smaller breakups, tertiary details, and then get the model ready to render in Marmoset 2x4. We'll show you how to create lighting and set up the materials for the beauty shots. So without any further ado, let's hop on the journey and create a character together.